Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Paranoid by Black Sabbath, one of my favorite songs. Please subscribe to my channel, alright? Let's get started here. Alright, so this song is in standard tuning. And it's those chords, basically. And it's real power chordy. You really want to hit them strings, all right? So it starts off on this E chord here, and it goes. That is a bar on the 7th fret. These two fingers go down here on the 9th fret on D and G. And you're gonna I just use my 3rd finger, hammer on from 7th to 9th. And from there, during the verses, it's going to be this chord, the E chord. You want to mute the strings with your right hand here. Then you slide down to the D chord. That's going to be, you're going to slide everything back 2 frets to the 5th and the 7th fret here. So it's going to be the E chord. You want that E string in the background there too. To make that chord, you stay on the 5th fret, and you take these 2 fingers and you move them down 1 string to the G string and the B string, and your pinky's going to move up to the 8th fret. And that part is that D chord down here on the 7th, the 9th fret, and you slide up to the C. The C chord is going to be the same chord on the 3rd and the 5th fret here. Middle finger and your ring finger and your pinky finger are going to be on the 5th fret here on the, so it's going to be those. All right, so that's a simple one, and it's a quick one. Play along with the song and see what you think. It's a fun song to play. It's got lots of distortion. It's a great song to play really loud too, especially in your car. So anyway, subscribe to my channel and we'll keep bringing you more videos. And if you have any suggestions for other songs you'd like to hear, leave them in the comments below. Thank you and have a very good day.